Welcome everyone. Today we will explore introduction to behavior modification, covering its definition, applications and recent advances. I am Mirza Jahanzeb Beg and I am an assistant professor at Department of Psychology, Kumaraguru College of Liberal Arts and Science, and I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive presentation. By the end of this presentation, you will have a deep understanding of how behavior modification applies across different fields and influences modern practices. Human behavior encompasses all actions, whether observable or internal. Pioneers like Pavlov, Skinner, and Bandura laid the foundation for understanding behavior through different lenses, including classical and operant conditioning. These foundational theories are still highly relevant today, influencing current psychological practices and research. We will see how these theories connect to the real-world applications. Behavior modification involves altering behavior using principles derived from conditioning theories. The main goal is to encourage desirable behaviors and diminish the unwanted ones, following strategies rooted in empirical evidence. This approach is effective because it relies on data and proven techniques to shape behavior methodologically and sustainably. Behavior modification is characterized by its emphasis on measurable changes, the strategic use of reinforcement and punishment, and a reliance on empirical validation. The focus on observable behaviors ensures that results are concrete and trackable, making it applicable to diverse areas like education and therapy. Reinforcement schedules and structured approaches are a key element that we will explore further. Behavior modification's roots trace back to Pavlov's and Skinner's groundbreaking work, which laid the foundation for modern behavior analysis. The field evolved from simple classical conditioning to include complex strategies integrating cognitive elements like Bandura's social learning theory and other theories. Understanding this progression helps us appreciate the diverse applications of behavior modification that it now has. Now, in developmental disabilities, behavior modification techniques like applied behavioral analysis (ABA) are crucial. These techniques break down the complex skills and help individuals learn and adapt, as seen in interventions for autism spectrum disorder. ABA has helped thousands achieve greater independence and communication skills, showcasing its impact in clinical as well as educational settings. Behavior modification has proven effective in treating mental illnesses through cognitive behavioral therapies. Techniques like exposure therapy and integration with modern technologies such as VR are revolutionizing treatment for conditions such as anxiety as well as post-traumatic stress disorder. This blending of traditional as well as modern methods allows for more customized and effective therapy options. Similarly, in education, behavioral modification strategies such as token economies and positive reinforcement manage classroom behavior and enhance motivation. By fostering environments where positive behaviors are consistently rewarded, students learn to associate academic efforts with desirable outcomes. Theories like growth mindset encourage students to persist through challenges. In rehabilitation, behavior modification supports recovery, whether physical or related to substance abuse. Motivational interweaving and reinforcement programs are applied to enhance patient adherence and reduce relapse rates. These strategies have been especially effective in addiction recovery and aiding individuals in building lasting habits and routines for a sustained progress. Behavior modification extends to community programs such as public health campaigns using behavioral nudges and digital tools for tracking and influencing public behavior. These strategies encourage positive societal shifts like increasing recycling and vaccination rates, and the collective impact demonstrates how small changes in individual behavior can lead to significant community benefits. Behavior modification also plays a role in business, enhancing workplace safety and productivity. Techniques like behavior-based safety and organizational behavior management help establish safer and more efficient work environments. This approach also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and accountability, promoting long-term organizational success. In human services, behavior modification aids in social skills training and caregiver support programs. It integrates seamlessly person-centered approaches to improve the quality of care and patient outcomes. By focusing on behavioral interventions, service providers can tailor their support to meet individual needs effectively. Self-management involves individuals taking control of their behavior through techniques like goal setting, self-monitoring, and self-reinforcement. Examples include using habit trackers to promote consistent exercise or healthier routines. This empowers individuals to maintain long-term behavioral change by fostering self-discipline and accountability. In children, behavior management techniques such as timeouts, positive reinforcements, and response cost help shape desirable behaviors. Programs like Triple P emphasize positive parenting strategies for effective child management. These methods create structured yet nurturing environment where children learn to associate good behaviors with positive outcomes. So, behavior modification. It enhances athletic performance through reinforcement and mental imagery. Visualization and positive reinforcement have been shown to improve focus and confidence in athletics, supported by sports psychology research. This practice not only aids skill development but also enhances mental toughness and resilience in competitive scenarios. Recent advances include functional behavior assessments and integrating neuroscience, showcasing the brain's adaptability or neuroplasticity in behavioral change. The use of digital tools allow for the real-time collection of data to fine-tune interventions. This connection between neuroscience and behavioral analysis offers exciting new possibilities for targeted and adaptive treatments. Cognitive behavioral models integrate behavior modification with thought processes as seen in cognitive behavioral therapy or RABT. These approaches use cognitive restructuring combined with behavioral reinforcements for comprehensive treatment plans. This integration acknowledges that behavior and thought are interconnected, leading to more effective behavior change. Well, most importantly, ethical practices in behavior modification are paramount. Informed consent and respecting the autonomy are very essential, guided by standards like those set by the ABA. Practitioners must ensure the interventions are conducted in a way that prioritizes the dignity and rights of participants, highlighting the balance between efficacy and ethics. Well, despite its benefits, behavior modification faces a lot of criticism for potentially undermining the intrinsic motivation. To address this, incorporating motivational strategies and personal goals helps balance external as well as internal motivators. Continued research and tailored approaches can mitigate these challenges, making behavior modification more effective and more sustainable. Parting words. In conclusion, behavior modification remains a dynamic field with application across many domains. Future trends include AI-driven analysis and teletherapy, which promise more personalized and accessible interventions. The field's future will be shaped by interdisciplinary research, pushing the boundaries of what we know about behavioral change. Thank you very much.